What if every design your team created started on brand, right from the very first draft? Instead of just guiding your team to follow your brand, you can set up a system that applies it for them. That's what we're building today. We'll get a brand system up and running using Canva AI, then put it to work. We'll design at speed, scale the campaign, and keep everything consistent. So let's do this. First, we'll set up your brand kit. You can do this if you're a brand designer or an admin. Think of your brand kit as the home of your branding inside the Canva editor. Logos, fonts, colors, imagery, tone of voice, guidelines, all in one place and ready to go for everyone on your team. And here's another big plus. Usually, when you're creating with AI, you're getting generic results. But when you attach your brand kit to Canva AI, every draft starts with your look and feel automatically built in. If you're following along today, there's a full brand kit link in the description. Or if you're joining from design school, it's part of your activity already. To get set up, we'll go to brand, then brand kit, and create a new one. I'll type the name. I'm working with this imaginary burger brand called Shopify. Click create, and we'll upload our guidelines here. And now watch as Canva AI organizes everything for you. As our brand kit builder loads, take a look at what's happening. The guidance for our logos, colors, and fonts are all being populated automatically. Once everything's uploaded, check out the asset categories in the left-hand menu. In seconds, we've gone from a static PDF to a structured, usable brand kit. Now, we'll connect our brand kit to our live content. This is where the system really gets going. We'll start with our logos. I'll go to Logos, click Add to Category, then Folder, and select our Logos folder from our brand assets. Or if you haven't got your brand assets set up, you can just upload them directly. We'll do the same for our photos, just by linking the photography folder to that category. Now, what about colors? Canva AI suggests color themes based on the brand guide. I'm going to go for these combinations because they're exactly on brand and add them like this. Done. Okay, so now our brand kit's set up. Let's check out the system in action. We'll take a template and turn it into a fully branded design in just a few clicks. I need to create a social graphic to launch a new menu item. And here's what we're starting with. It's a totally different look and feel to Shopify, right? But that's about to change. Just to really test the system, we're going to do something kind of dramatic and go from beauty to burgers. I'll delete the placeholder, then go to brand, logos, and drag our Shopify burger logo into the logo area. Now for the heading. But what font styles do I use here again? Instead of digging up our brand guidelines and flicking between a PDF and the editor, I can check our guidelines right here. Just head to Brand, Fonts, and click Guidelines. And there they are. Now I've got the header up, I'll drag in the heading style. And to add a little hierarchy, I'll increase the font size and adjust the line spacing. I'll type in the big chopper across 2 lines and move it into the heading area. Perfect. Next, we need a call to action. I'll erase the text below the image. Then go to Brand, Fonts, and drag in the subheading style. I'll change the font size for balance and set it to uppercase. We can also use Canva AI to suggest some copy in our brand voice. Just select this text box, go to Brand, then Brand Voice, and select Generate in this brand voice. Give it some guidance for what to say. I'm going to say, write a short, high-energy CTA. 5 words max, promoting the Big Chopper's new, bigger size and improved flavour. Love this line, So I'll click Insert, then Clean Up a little. Just delete the word subheading, and we're left with our new CTA. Now, the visuals. I'll get rid of this placeholder image and go to Brand, Photos, and open the photography folder that we linked earlier. It has our product images ready to go. Then I'll drag our product image into the design. I'm going to get rid of the background, so the burger itself becomes the hero in our new layout. Just select Background Remover in the toolbar, and voila. And then I'll resize it to fill the photo area. To tie everything together, we go to Brand, Colors, and click the color theme that we've added. And with one click, the entire design updates. Amazing, right? Now, we're going to take one on-brand design and use our system to turn it into a whole set of assets. Right-click the page thumbnail and select Duplicate Page twice. So we end up with 3 pages here. Now, we repeat the exact same process we used to create our first asset. Update the heading. Use Canva AI to help with copy. I need another fun CTA. Insert our new copy and clean up the old text. Then we swap the image, delete the burger, go to Brand, Photos, drag our new image, apply Background Remover, enlarge it and rotate it to fill the area. Then shuffle through the color theme. Done. And for our third design, same workflow. And we've got 3 campaign assets, all on brand, in minutes. Our last step, setting up components. You know the elements your team uses again and again, a presentation header, a CTA bar, or a footer. Turning them into components means you design them once, store them in your brand kit, and when you update the original, every design that uses it updates too. No more checking if everyone's using the latest version. Here's how to create a component. Say there's a branded header you want to reuse across your presentations. Just select the header, click the 3-dot menu and choose Create Component. Give it a name, like this. Now we want the whole team to be able to use this, so we'll publish it to our brand kit by ticking this option. Make sure to select the correct brand kit and choose Components for the asset category. Now click Create. Let's see what that looks like. I'll open a completely different design. Go to Brand, Components, and drag the header straight onto the page. And it's right there, ready to use. Now say you need to update this header. Maybe the logo's changed. Instead of going through every design, you just update the source. We click Source, swap the logo, and hit Publish Updates. Click the update icon and the changes roll out everywhere, just like that. That's how you turn brand guidelines into a system your whole team can use. Your brand kit powers your designs, Canva AI keeps everything on brand, and your components keep your branding in sync automatically. You know the setup now, so we'll see you and your branding in the editor. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time.